So in a distributed system where you have more than one services, your visibility is very critical. So visibility as to what is going on. Without visibility, failures becomes invisible. And what problem did you have when you failures become invisible? Until you know what has failed, how will you fix or how will you improve or how will you enhance your system? That is why you have to know, continuously know, apart from recovering your system from failure, you have to know very well what had caused this failure so that in few further releases you can fix that issue. Okay. So the answer to this problem is monitoring. So monitoring answers if the CPU is healthy or not, if CPU usage is high or normal, are your parts restarting too frequently, normally? So all these things monitoring answers for you. Okay. So there are some tools that you use for monitoring. Example is Prometheus. It is used for your metrics correction, and Grafana is used for creating dashboards on these metrics. So now what is metrics? There can be various metrics like CPU usage, memory consumption, request rate, error rate. Now let's talk about logging. So this is all is monitoring. What all should you monitor? But containers are ephemeral or pods are ephemeral. They will die, new pods will come into their place. This will continue to happen. Log is something which is external to pods. So you can configure a centralized location where all your logs are present. So apart from your application logs, you can also capture your system out / error logs as well using Kubernetes. Okay. So the common logging tools are ELK. It stands for three tools: Elastic, Logstash plus Kibana. Okay. There is another combination EFK. Here instead of Logstash there is Fluentd. So this also helps in logging also helps in debugging failures, auditing events, and for performance or analysis as well. So that's about logging and monitoring.